Welcome to Stychopedia. We're here today talking about the cuff of a shirt. There's many different ways it can be fastened and many different shapes it can have. In this case we have one that's square. The end here can be rounded. It can also be cut off. How it's fastened, we have this one here fastened by a button, which can be undone, of course. But there are shirts that have a buttonhole on the outside, and then on the inside there's another buttonhole. And on a lot of shirts that are off the rack, they can have two buttons on the inside to tighten up the cuff, but there'll still be that buttonhole on the inside. And why they're there is so that you can take it up a notch by placing a cufflink through the outer buttonhole, and then, of course, through the inner buttonhole, and fasten it. Now you have what's called a single placket cuffed shirt. This has been popularized by the Rat Pack back in the early 60s and continues today, sometimes even referred to as a convertible cuff. So the single placket cuff can use a cufflink or a button. Next we'll show you a full French cuff where the fabric folds back and the cuff takes on a whole new shape as well.